Chris Walker from the Hamilton County Health Department joining us. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Update us on the numbers from over the weekend.
So our numbers are still holding fairly steady in the low 20s into the teens. The good news is our deaths seem to have been dropping off pretty significantly. We've had a couple days where we've not added any deaths, which obviously is great news for us as well.
Yeah, those numbers are holding steady even with more testing going on. That's impressive.
Yes, that's correct. Our site has been running out at Grand Park since Wednesday, and we've had a lot of participation out there. We've already tested 345 people out there, and I got a report this morning that said all of our appointments were booked up for the day today as well. So hopefully we're helping do our part here.
Right. Now, if I want to get tested, how do I go about registering and getting an appointment at Grand Park?
The best way to do it is to register online at lhi.care/COVID testing. And there is a brief questionnaire where it will ask you a couple yes/no questions. And if you qualify for testing, it will help you set up your appointment and tell you the closest location to where you live to help facilitate getting you in and getting you tested. There is also an 800 number that you can call as well if you do not have internet access.
So I register for an appointment. Do I have to have a pre-existing condition, or do I need to have been exposed to someone with COVID to be able to get that appointment?
You're supposed to be in the high risk category, which is 65 and older with pre-existing conditions such as heart disease or diabetes or some of the others, advised by a public health professional to be tested, be symptomatic, and it does that tell you what the 9 symptoms are that the CDC recognizes as COVID related, or you have to be a close contact with a person who is tested positive, which would be with 15 minutes or longer within 6 feet of someone who is symptomatic. But again, the questionnaire will walk you right through each one of those steps.
So our restaurants have been open at 50% capacity for the past week. We're getting ready to open pools at 50% capacity this weekend. Any parting thoughts for folks as they start to venture back out into the community?
The best thing you can do is take every measure to safeguard yourself and to safeguard others. It's still a good idea to be wearing a mask out in the public. This mask isn't to protect you, it's to help protect the people around you. Maintain your social distancing of 6 feet or greater, essential trips only if possible, and make sure you're still using good hand washing techniques.
Anything else you want to add I didn't ask?
Not that I can think of. I think we've touched on it for the week so far.
Sounds good. Chris Walker with the Hamilton County Health Department. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.